So if I go slow motion, okay, watch me here. You turn to the side, right? You jump, keep this leg very fast, su in the air. After you su, and then you landing. Okay? So this leg need to be super fast. Otherwise, you cannot make su in the air before you landing. So when you do the day, go up and standing on your feet here. Okay? So your supporting leg is here. When you do the jump, you form this spot, jump up. You have landing on this spot. Jump. Okay? You cannot form here, you jump to travel to other side. No. You with same spot jump, same spot landing. So when you turn to the side, tailbone cannot go back. Cannot. You gotta push your tailbone forwards. Yes. And then when you do the jump and then keep straight. So right now you push the bar too much, your upper body forwards. No. Keep a little bit easy, straight up jump. Straight up. Yes. Try here. You cannot stay here, leg up, and then you jump. When you're in the air, stay legs here, and then when you're landing, you go one by one. That's all wrong. The timing, watch me. From here, right before this leg straight, you use both leg, jump in the air, right before your knees, right after your knees straight, immediately straight in. The knees straight and straight in, very slow, very fast. If you delay a little bit, and then you won't have su before you landing. So remember, before the knees straight, you already jump in the air. When you're in the air, the position will be this in the air, right? And then after this knees straight, immediately straight in, right before you landing. Okay, try again.